Hello guys, thank you for joining me for this video. I am joined today by Vanessa from the Make Money Online YouTube channel, which of course will be linked at the top of the description in case you want to show her some love. But Vanessa, thank you for being here with me.
Thank you, Ryan, for having me.
Yes, Vanessa reached out. She said, hey, I've got a great story to tell about my Amazon merch journey, and specifically wanted to highlight this crazy day she had, what was that, about 10 days ago, where you sold almost 300 products in one day. Congratulations.
I'm from one t-shirt, to be specific.
Okay, cool. Well, yeah, I mean, I think we should start by just, do you want to share anything at all with as much, or, as much as possible with everybody watching on how you were able to sell almost 300 products in a day?
I want to spill everything. That's the main reason why I contacted you, because
Awesome.
I realized that many people needed help. When I got on Facebook and I posted my success story, I discovered that there were not a lot of people who wanted to know how I got there. They were messaging me, so I was like, oh, maybe I can actually help a lot of people in my print-on-demand journey. So I reached out to Rihanna. I actually reached out to other YouTubers to kind of tell my story, to motivate everyone who is on the merch journey.
I love it. Yeah, so do you want to just start by, I guess, wherever you think it makes the most sense to start by telling the story?
Okay, so I will start from when my first merch by Amazon account was terminated. Yeah, that was my, I didn't actually know what I was doing when I first started merch by Amazon. Ryan's videos were one of the first videos that motivated me to start merch by Amazon, and I'd never heard about it before. But I like this opportunity where you could just sit from home, upload some designs, and boom, you're making money. So I decided to give it a try. But my first merch by Amazon account got terminated because I didn't know about keyword research. I didn't even know that there were tools like Fine Research or maybe even Merch Informer or even Print-on-demand upload where you can fasten your uploads to merch by Amazon. I didn't know that anything like that existed. So that first account was a first trial where I messed it up, but right now I know what I'm doing, and that's what motivated me to tell my story, to motivate others to keep on pushing, because you surely get there.
Yeah, I love it. And also good note there, good takeaway to be super careful. It's like, I think everybody goes through it where you get your first like kind of taste of success on merch, and then you want to start, I just call it getting too cute, with like trying to get away with too much. And in reality, it's like
not worth it. I tell
not
you,
worth
it's not
it.
worth it. I've been there.
It's not worth it. Seriously.
It's
like,
not
think
worth
of
it.
however many years down the road when you're sitting on like $100,000 of profit, or, some people do that in a year, but yeah, it's like, don't cheat yourself out of that opportunity.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But the main thing I really want to touch down on is the strategies that I use to achieve this success. It's a very easy strategy, something which I've been developing for the past years. Actually, what I do is I first of all research my design, then using Fine Research. And when I get the design, the next thing I do is to create a design. Sometimes I make the designs, but sometimes I outsource it to Vexels. Then I upload using my print-on-demand uploader, and I use Amazon Associate as a link, and I give a YouTuber to promote it for me. So it's a very easy strategy that anyone can adopt.
Got you. So you reach out to YouTubers and hope that they'll include a link to a product in their videos?
I pay them to include the link to the t-shirt. So I contact them from their YouTube page. Some of their channels have their email addresses there. Like some will say, contact me for business inquiries, something like that. So I grab that email and I send them an email saying that how much. Actually, I have a template that I put in the success story of this video. Yeah, there's a template. Someone asked for a template. I put it down there. It basically says, hi, first name. I found your YouTube channel, the channel's name, and I would like you to promote these t-shirts. Actually, the niche, for example, if it's Father's Day t-shirt, I'll say, I'd like you to promote this Father's Day t-shirt. And the first thing you have to do before you send out this message is to find out if that channel is right for your niche. Maybe it's a family channel that has parents that you can reach out to the father, say, oh, I have this cute Father's Day t-shirts that I would like you to promote on your channel. So, and you also ask them how much you want them to pay. So if they're interested, they're going to reach back to you, say maybe, oh, maybe I want $200, $300, 350, something like that, and you pay right up. You pay, then the next thing I do is to ship out a sample of the t-shirt to them, and when that t-shirt arrives, they're gonna wear that t-shirt in that promotion video. So it's a very easy strategy. There's not very much that you need to do on that. On the day that they have to promote your t-shirt, you grab a link from Amazon Associates. So Amazon Associates, I don't know if many people have heard about it, but it's a website where Amazon's website where you recommend products and you earn commissions from it. And so I grab a link of my t-shirt from there, and I give that YouTuber to promote the video and put that link in the description of their video. So when any customer clicks that link, I will be getting paid by Image by Amazon. That's if I have royalties, because if it's 1307, I'm not going to be making royalties, but I'm just going to be making sales. And although it counts, but I can also make sales from Amazon Associates by referring people. So it's a very easy strategy that I think everyone can adopt.
Yeah, I like it. I use Amazon Associates as well, and that is a really interesting strategy. And it's kind of funny too, because if you think about it, like you can profit off of a 1307 standard t-shirt when you do it that way. And I've heard people say you're not supposed to, but I personally didn't see anything about that, and I didn't really go looking that hard, honestly, because it's one of those things where like I've been, hopefully no one from Amazon's watching, but it's like I've been doing it for a while, because I have my own like websites that I run, and sometimes I'll just like link to some t-shirts I made on merch, and I've never had any issues, so.
Yeah, me too. I haven't had any issues. So it's a very passive way to make money online. I think everybody should jump on this as soon as possible.
Yeah, I like it. I like it. That's a great strategy that I had never even considered. Well, I've considered kind of like the Amazon Associates. I call it like Amazon affiliates sometimes, because I know that it's kind of basically, Amazon's affiliate program when all is said and done. And it used to pay out way more too. There were people that made like crazy full-time incomes.
It was very profitable back in the days, but now as more people get into it, the royalties reduce. But don't let that deter you from getting into the program at all, because the sales from your t-shirt is gonna make up for. It's just like extra sales from Amazon Associates, so it really shouldn't bother you. It's not like you're going to promote the t-shirt yourself. You're outsourcing it to a YouTuber to do it for you, so it's like extra money.
Yeah, I like it. And what tier are you in? I'm sure some people are wondering.
Yeah, a few days ago, I got tiered up to tier 500. The day that I achieved this 293 sales I was in tier 100. For the past days, I really don't know what was wrong with Merch by Amazon, but they weren't tearing up for a very long time. So that didn't even bother me at all, because I was making sales with still in tier 100. All you need is one single spot to make money with Merch by Amazon. That's what I keep telling my
all
you need is one slot. So I had 100, and the sales that I got with this t-shirt was just from one shirt. So all you need is one slot, and you're good to go.
Yeah, that's very true. If you get one shirt like you have in this picture, I think I saw a video on your channel from that day where I think it showed that like, you had I don't remember the exact number, but you could kind of see that there was like 100 something or 200 something sales of the one. But it's
actually, this is the second time I achieved this. The first time was 257 sales. That was the first time I was like, wow. I got up that morning, because I usually check my Merch by Amazon account in the morning when I get up from sleep. I'm like, okay, I was sleeping through the night, what was going on my account. So I got out that morning, and I logged in. I saw 200. So I saw this long, that it was high. I was like, wait, what is going on? So I looked close. I saw 200. I was like, no, something is wrong. I actually refreshed it. I wasn't believing it at all, because I've never achieved this kind of sales in one day. It wasn't. It had never happened before, so it was very surprising. I got up from sleep, my eyes were so blurry. I had to clean it, come back, refresh it. I was just in denial.
That's epic.
When I actually saw that, well, this is the sales that I made, I was like, wow, everyone needs to know this strategy. It's a very simple strategy that everyone can adopt, and especially for those who are in tier 10. I received a message from someone today, even today, I made a video today, and someone was like, I've been in tier 10 for 2 months. Please, can you help me out? Sends me a t-shirt design. I should take a look at a t-shirt design with the keywords and to see if everything is okay. So many people want to leave tier 10. It's really the hardest. I spent around 2 to 3 months in tier 10, guys. It wasn't easy. So I looked for other promotion methods before I fell on this YouTube promotion strategy. I started with Twitter ads. I went to TikTok ads, no success. I also went with Instagram ads, no success. So this strategy was actually the one that blew my mind and is the one that was the most successful.
It's really commendable though that you've given this so much effort. You know, you didn't give up. 2 to 3 months.
No. I'm not someone who gives up. I'm not someone who gives up.
Yeah, no, it doesn't seem that way at all. I mean, that's part of why, like, you know, you emailed me about coming on to do to tell your story, and like I saw your every YouTube channel. I'm like, all right, I respect. That was like the first thing I said to you. I was like, yeah, I respect the hustle. Like you got your merch going, you got a YouTube channel going. Like, yeah. I would love to support someone like you and let you tell your story if that's what you want to do. Because
actually, I didn't intend to create a YouTube channel at all. It was after my termination of my first Merch by Amazon account. I think I was in around 8,000 or 10,000. I can't really remember. It was a really painful experience. I don't even want to remember anything about it, but I didn't intend to create a YouTube channel at all. So when my first Merch by Amazon account got terminated, I decided to create this YouTube channel where I will expose all my innermost secrets on how to get tiered up as fast as possible. So that was my goal of creating my first YouTube channel.
Got it. Well, hey, yeah. And also make sure everybody that's watching still that you go check it out. I'm going to put a link at the top of the description, and I'm sure you'll keep cranking out. What is it, like video every Monday and Friday or something? Yes.
Hopefully, you know, life always.
Right. Of course.
Hopefully every Monday and Fridays.
Well, you know, you can always do a quick, sometimes I'll do like a something in 60 seconds video, and they're kind of fun to make. And it, you know, can be a quick tip that, you know, can still be really valuable to people. So, but yeah, is there anything else you would like to share? Because so far, I mean, it's been great. It's been motivating, and it's been something new that I haven't even considered.
Yeah, that's what many people were saying, that, wow, I haven't heard of this method before. And they tell me to go in depth on it. So someone actually messaged me saying that, please, can you explain in depth? Because what I did was explain, because I like when something is compact, you explain how you can achieve something within a short space of time. But apparently someone didn't really understand, and he requested that I go in depth in another video on how to achieve this. So I plan to do that in the future. It's a very easy strategy that I really think everyone should be getting on this as fast as possible.
Yeah, I like it. I like that you also have proven, you know, it's always one thing to share an idea, but you've also shown that it works. So I appreciate you doing that.
It really works.
Cool. Well, Vanessa, thank you for taking time out of your day to be here and share your story, share your strategy. And anybody that's watching, if you end up using the strategy and you find success, make sure to either let us know in the comments, or, you know, my Merch by Amazon Facebook group is a great way to stay in touch. I honestly spend a lot of time there. So that's a great way to keep my finger on the pulse of what's working in the community. All right, Vanessa, thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's really, really great talking with you. I had to get this out of my chest as soon as possible, because there are so many people out there who are on this journey, and they really need help. I discovered this a few days ago, so I was like, I really need to get help from outside, from other YouTubers, to help spread this message to other people on this journey with me, so they can get out of tier 10, and not only tier 10, you can get out of all the other tiers, lower tiers, and get tiered up as fast as possible.
Yeah, I love it. And also you showed them that you can have a 300 sale day in tier 100. So that's got to be motivating as well, right?
Guys.
Cool. Well, thank you.